Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to a new vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday.
Jill, it's gorgeous.
I know, I'm so excited for us to hang out on the beach together all day, right? Oh no, get Molly. That is a really loud noise. I know, it was scary. I'm sorry, baby.
It's coming for you, Molly.
There's been a lot of really loud noises out there. It's been scaring her the past couple days. It's been scary. It's okay. It is Friday, but Connor and I have the day off. We're gonna start off our day with a little walk, grab some coffee, maybe head down to the beach, read our books for a little bit. Oh, it is beautiful right now, you guys. Perfect breeze and the sun is still so warm. Jess is feeling so good.
Warm for 11, what you gotta like.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, what time is it?
That's like 11 o'clock.
11 a.m. Wow, look at us go.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. Okay, Connor and I just went back to our house here and I'm just throwing a tiny bit of makeup on. Not much because it's sort of warm out. I'm gonna put a mask on. It's all gonna like get taken off anyway. Okay, I just threw myself together here a little. Put on this little purple tank, shorts, sandals. I ended up putting my hair half up, half down. It's just my favorite way to wear my hair. I just think it looks really good with my curly hair, so that's why it's literally always like this. Little tiny touch of makeup, and I feel like a human again, which is lovely.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Con and I are at the Venice Beach Bar. Got ourselves a pitcher of beer, some fish tacos on the way.
Couldn't be happier.
Beautiful beachy view. I am loving it. Check this out, you guys. I got a battered fish taco, a grilled fish taco, and a chicken taco. We have tots, we have elote. Connor got some fish tacos over here as well.
Cod and chicken.
It looks so good. I'm so excited to dive into this. Fish tacos were 10 out of 10, amazing, totally hit the spot. And then Connor and I just walked back up towards our place and met up with our friends Alex and Tony, and then they all headed out to happy hour at Jameson's, which I'm going to as well, but I wanted to pop back home because it was getting a little cold, so I changed into pants. Just these cute white jeans. These are from Girlfriend, and I will try to remember to link them down below. They are so comfortable. I feel like I'm gonna be living in these all summer long. Like, this is just gonna be go-to uniform is like these white pants, because I feel like it's very easy to style too. Like, you can do a colorful thing like I have right now, or all white, black on top. It's obviously very neutral. So I'm just gonna touch up the chin area because, oh sorry, this is really low, but I don't feel like setting up the whole thing. But I think I'm only gonna go for like one drink at Jameson's, or I guess two, because their happy hour is buy one get one free. So, you know, I'm gonna take advantage of the happy hour deal. But then I'm gonna come back here hopefully in like an hour and just relax for a bit, because Connor and I have a dinner reservation tonight at 8, and I just feel like, you know, relaxing for a bit before we go back out again, instead of being like so go, 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 go. Honestly, don't even think that I'm gonna add any more makeup when we go out to eat. Probably just touch up my concealer again, maybe do like a little bit more bronzy. I just don't care that much. I'm going out with Connor, who I do love dressing up for date nights with Connor because it's just a fun excuse to dress up, but like, if I'm not in the mood, there's really no need. All right, well, Molly Cat, Mama's gonna go back out again. She's just sitting here. Are you just sitting here? You just wanna be your mom? I know my hands smell a lot like salt water, eh? She's been a little grumpy today. I think she's a little mad at us, like, being busy lately. I love you, though. Look, she won't let me give her a kiss. Let me give you a kissy. Good girl. Love you. let's go, because the sooner I get there and drink my drinks, the sooner I can come back home again. All right, got some red wine here. They have the Velvet Devil at Jameson's, which is so good. Got some artichoke dip. This dummy. You got nothing to say. Back home yet again, but 2 glasses of wine, more drunk than before. And I'm just here with little Molly Cat, who I'm loving hanging out with. Come here, bestie. Oh, hi, sweet girl. Hi. Oh yeah, that's the camera. Careful. Hi, cute girl. Come here. Lay down. Anyway, back home. It's about 6 o'clock now. Connor and I have an 8 o'clock reservation. No, it can't be 6 o'clock. It's gotta be like 5:30. Anyway, we have an 8 o'clock reservation. So I fully plan to just chill for quite a while here. I don't even know if I'll really get changed before dinner. I'll probably put on a sweater with like my white jeans. I have sweatpants on right now, but there will be no getting ready or anything for dinner. It's gonna be very low key. We'll go grab dinner at Wabi. The last time that I took you guys along for date night, we went to Wabi too, so we're re-upping. We're very excited about it. And in the meantime, I'm gonna play The Sims. But also let me show you, on my walk back from the bar, I stopped in at the same boutique that I bought this little purple tank from, if you guys recall that from a couple of vlogs ago, because there was another tank in there that I was sort of eyeing and ultimately decided to get this one, but I really like this one, so I went back for another, and I will show you what I got. I have been on a real shopping spree lately, you guys, and Connor told me he'll give me his card and I can shop for him, which I'm super excited about because that's really fun, is just shopping. It's not about necessarily getting stuff for me, which is super fun too, don't get me wrong, but you guys know. Anyway, got this little tank and I sort of dig it because it reminds me a lot of like the vest trend that's going on right now, but I don't know if I can pull off the vest trend. Oops, inside out. I'm not positive that I can pull that off. I don't know if that's really for me. I hope so. I definitely want to try the trend, but I feel like this is a good in-between where it has like the very square shape to it, similar to a vest, but it's also just still a tank top and not a vest. And then I also got this little ring there that I was eyeing the last time I was there. Very simple. I don't know if this is high quality or not. It was $12, so probably not. We'll see if it turns my finger green or not, but anyway, just thought it was a nice addition to my hand. By the way, I see people like DMing me on Instagram in particular a lot about my rings and where they're from, but most of these are like passed down from my family. Like on this hand, this like top silver one I've been wearing on this finger since I was probably like 12 or 14 years old. It was my great grandma's ring, and then my grandma's ring, and then my mom's ring, and then my grandma ultimately gave it to me. It's missing a few diamonds, like it's in rough shape right now. The last time I got it cleaned, they were like, diamonds are not gonna stay in this. So anyway, I have that one, and then I have this little green one, which is one that I think this is the one that my dad gave my mom. Emerald is her birthstone. And then I also have this emerald ring from my mom, and I think this is the one that my grandparents gave my mom, but I could have that reversed, or maybe totally mixed up in general. And then this is the only ring of mine that's not pastel. It's just a tiny, tiny little diamond band, but I can't remember where I got it from, honestly. At this point, it was so many years ago. And again, it's just one of those rings that never leaves my finger. So that's a rundown. Just thought it would be a fun addition there. There was another ring I really liked, but it wasn't really fitting on my hand the way I would have wanted it to. Anyway, I was so cold out there that now my hands are warming up and to the point where they sort of hurt. You know, when you're so cold and then you get warm and it hurts. Where I'm at right now. I feel like this vlog has been so random, me just like rambling about random shit, and I'm here for it. 7:47 p.m. and Connor and I are heading out to dinner now. The end to an eventful Friday.
Yeah, great day off.
Great day, feeling good after our little rest.
Yeah.
Excited for a very yummy meal ahead.
Strong finale.
Yeah, it's gonna be so good. I'm so pumped. We are at Wabi and we got seated at such a good table, guys. I have to show you this environment here. So we have our table here and there is a heating lamp immediately next to us, which I am loving. Yep. And then there's plastic dividers and these little like vine dividers.
And cocktails.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Perfect.
Yum. Yes, we have those on both sides, so it's just like very like private, it feels.
Right.
It's really nice. And we got spicy margaritas. That's what our waiter said his favorite thing on the menu was. So pretty excited
Trust
for
in
this.
him, and I think he's gonna deliver.
I agree.
And we already are thinking of some pretty crazy things to pick up.
Yeah, we're very excited for the food.
The Sear Toro is happening.
Yeah.
Caviar's involved, so.
I'm excited. All right, first up, chili garlic edamame. So excited about this. It looks so yummy. Okay, next up is this beauty. So we have a seared salmon dish and a seared tuna. Both look so freaking good.
So we got the Sear Toro with caviar on top.
Oh yeah, I forgot there's caviar on top.
And truffle.
Oh my god, I'm so
It's all
excited
the
for this.
luxurious things you want.
Oh yeah.
All right, here we go. So we dove into this motherfucker, which was unbelievable.
So good.
The Toro with caviar. Different texture than we expected, but so.
The fish just melts in your mouth. It's so tender and buttery and delicious. It's so good.
And now, Jill, here we go.
Taste test on the
Taste
salmon.
test on the salmon.
Oh my god, it's so good. It's so flavorful.
Tell me what's happening in your mouth.
Tastes a little like seared sashimi, which is what it is.
Hell yeah.
And then it has this like spicy seasoning on top. And then you throw in like a little piece of fruit into your mouth and it like cools your whole mouth down. It's really
Ooh,
good. Very
great
good.
description. I feel like I took the journey with you.
Thank you. See if you agree with my description.
All right.
How's that taste then? Yummy?
Oh my god.
In heaven. Okay, it's sushi roll time. We have a soft crab roll over here,
That's been
which
blowing
is
our mind.
so good. We just already had a piece of that. And then this one, which I don't, is this the yellowtail?
No, yes, exactly. It's the moon is what it's called, but it's yellowtail, scallops,
And some other shit.
and some other stuff.
Okay, should we try the yellowtail? Try it together. Ding. So good.
Wow. Oh my god.
So
Love
good.
that citrus taste in there too with the
The citrus is so strong and so good. Big fan.
So this is a Connor requested little clip just because you did such a great job reviewing the last little thing we had, and what we're eating is so good, and we're having a unique roll. I think that's kind of doing something a little different. Yes, I'm talking about the roll to our left right here.
I knew you were.
So I want you to give us a little taste test.
Okay, let me taste
And
it so I can tell you.
Exactly, full review.
So good. First thing you taste is a major wave of citrus. And then
Yeah.
the fish starts to develop a little bit. You can taste like the tuna that's in there, the yellowtail. It starts to come through a little bit. But that mixes with the soy sauce, which is just this like salty, yummy experience in general. And then
You're right.
you'll land on the cucumber, which adds like this cooling, because it is a little spicy, little cooling effect, and also it's so crunchy.
Yeah. I don't know how they made this cucumber that crunchy.
It's so good. Then that's pretty much it, I would say.
Hell yeah. No, the cucumber's like honestly like a little bit like of a replacement. Instead of like frying something to make it crunchy in a sushi like roll, it's a
And
vegetable.
I think it's a roll like this in particular because cucumber's in like most
Yeah.
sushi rolls, but since this has so many different flavor waves, I also think it has yellowtail on top, which is nice.
Great review.
Thank you.
You're gonna get something out of that.